Here's a quick video to show you how to add windshield washing fluid to your Jeep vehicle. This is a Jeep Renegade 2018, but you'll be able to follow these instructions for any Jeep vehicle. All you're going to need is some washer fluid and a funnel, and I have those linked below. All right, your first step is to pop the hood and locate the reservoir for the washer fluid. It's normally over here on the driver's side. See it right here on this vehicle. This is the symbol you're looking for. If you see that symbol, that's where the windshield washer fluid is going to go. Now that it's located, we're just going to pop the top. I'm going to take the funnel, place it right inside there, just like that. Next, we're going to take the fluid. We're going to pour it right into the funnel. Once you make it to the fill line on the reservoir, you're just going to take the funnel out, push down on the cap, clip it in place, and you're good to go. Hope you found this video helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up.